DJI is expanding the affordable drone lineup with the new Lito series aimed at beginners and casual lovers who want to ease at flying something without giving up too much in terms of feature. The focus here is to keep things simple, keep them portable, and still offers capabilities to make aerial photography worthwhile. The lineup includes two models: the Lito 1, which is positioned as a more accessible option, while Lito 1 X1 steps things up slightly with better hardware, more advanced safety feature. Both are lightweight under 249 grams and feature foldable design that make them easy to carry hold. Both don't support DJI O4 transmission system, offers stable 1080p video feed, and there's optional 4G connectivity option. Quick takeoff is another highlight, cutting down the wait time before you can actually start flying. They can also track flight path in well-lit environment. Battery life is solid for the segment. The standard intelligent flight battery is rated up to 36 minutes, while the extended option can do around 52 minutes. The omnidirectional mission system avoids obstacles like cliffs, walls, making them beginner friendly. The X1 adds a forward facing LiDAR sensor to improve depth sensing and more precise optical detection. The other one uses a half inch 48 megapixel sensor that captures 8K and 4K 60 frames per second video. The Lito X1 uses a larger 1 by 1.3 inch sensor with added support for 4K 60 frames per second HDR video, 4K 100 frames per second slow motion recording, and 10-bit D-Log M. There's plenty of other software features like subject tracking, quick shot modes, time lapse, and panorama. Taken together, the Lito series like a push to make their entry-level drones more capable without making them harder to use. Pricing in China starts at 1,999 yuan for the later one, with bundles going up depending on the controller. In Europe, the later one is priced at 339 euros, with the fly mode combo DJI RC N3 at 479 euro. The Lito X1 starts at 2488 yuan in China, with European pricing starts at 419 euro, going up to 579 euro for the fly mode combo with DJI RC2 controller. Both are available for order already.